In this short video, we will walk you through the electronic certification of ACA eligible temporary employees. This electronic certification is done by the employer in employer self-service or ESS, and it will also trigger the ability for the employee to enroll in health insurance electronically within member self-service or MSS. Once you log into ESS, you'll want to navigate to the employee panel and click on Add, View, or Update Your Employees. Next, select View or Update Employees and hit the Submit button. Here you have the ability to search for your employees either by entering their first name and last name or by entering their PersLink ID and hitting Search. Once the results have populated, you can click on the PersLink ID of the employee that you want to be viewing. And if that employee is set up as a temporary employee in PersLink, under the Employee Information panel, you'll see a button that's called ACA Eligibility Certification. Here, you'll first need to certify that the employee meets the definition of a full-time employee under the ACA. If you select No, there is nothing you need to do to comply, and you're made aware that no action is needed. If you select Yes, you'll need to certify that the employee meets the definition of a full-time employee under the ACA and as such is being offered health insurance coverage. You can do this certification for either a change in position or increase in hours, as well as for the 2 look-back periods that exist. If you select that the employee had a change in position or an increase in hours, you'll be asked to enter the effective date that this change took place. The employee will then have the ability to enroll in health insurance for 31 days from whatever date you enter in this field. The other option is to select a look-back measurement period. There's 2 different look-back period measurements. One is for someone who is newly eligible, and the other is for the annual look-back period. The option to select the annual look-back period will only display from November 1st to December 31st each year, and PERS sets the dates that the member has the ability to select or enroll in the health insurance coverage in MSS if this category is selected. If you select the look-back period as being newly eligible, you'll be required to enter a start date, and the end date or the to date will automatically populate based on whatever you entered as the start date. Once you save this record, the member will then have 31 days from whatever date is in the end date field to enroll in health insurance in MSS. Because the end date of these certifications drive the eligibility timeline for members to enroll in insurance, it's imperative that you make these certifications or notify PERS of these changes as your statuses of your temporary employees change in a timely manner.